Hello friends, welcome to our dynamic type videos, and this video I will show you payroll module, whatever menu item available under this. First is employee, and in which you can create and you can get list of all employees, you can create employees, then contractor list, part worker list, pending workers, position entries for position, open position, jobs, then all earning statement, release earning, process earning, statement on hold, not processed. Then pay statement, you can see all pay statement calculated, pay statement to recalculate, submit by statement, issue pay statement. Then earning statement processing, you can generate earning, generate premium earning, release earning statement, hold earning statement. Then retroactive earnings, generate retroactive earnings, review retroactive earning lines. Pay statement processing, generate pay statement, submit pay statement, payment journal, post pay statement, generate vendor invoices, payroll positive pay, payroll positive pay file summary, manage worker areas, then tax processing, history, details, tax register report, and inquiries and reports. These are the reports available. Then these business process administration, these are the setups available under this. Payroll parameter, human resource parameter, pay cycle, pay period, payroll calculation frequencies, work cycle period, earning codes, earning code groups, premium group, premium earning policies, pay earning rule type, tax code group, region, employer tax region, update tax data, then benefit, then scheduling. Basic things are available under this payroll. You can see I have shown you all the menus, reports you can check, earning statement line, pay statement earning, pay statement benefit amount, worker benefit and deduction, accrual balance, accrual transaction, pay statement report, benefit register report, worker payment register report, total compensation report. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.